Hello everyone, this is Jack. Well, the cost of feed is going up. It keeps increasing day by day. So in this video, I'm going to cover how you can feed your chickens for free. So if you already have chickens or you're thinking about keeping chickens, I'm going to cover all the avenues and resources you can gather food for your chickens. So let's get started. Well, number one is pretty obvious, and that's kitchen scraps. You can get all the waste material from your kitchen and feed it to your chickens. Let me show you when I feed these to the chickens what they do. Well, right when I put out these kitchen scraps, look at all of these chickens gather right in this area and they're just going nuts for them. Now, if you don't have enough kitchen scraps coming out of your kitchen, you can contact your local grocery store or a local restaurant and get all the food scraps from them. Number two, grass clippings or any kind of weed. So whenever you mow your grass, you can use all of the grass clippings and all the weeds in the grass clippings and feed them to your chickens. Chickens love the greens, and it also helps to improve the quality of eggs as well. Now let me add something, especially during this existential crisis. Keeping chickens is an excellent idea. Don't worry about the economics of keeping chickens. There are many other benefits to keeping chickens. Keeping chickens is the best investment, and above all, chickens are absolutely fantastic. Number three, bugs, and chickens love bugs. And let me show you a neat technique to gather the bugs for the chickens. Now I'm here in my greenhouse, and sometimes under the trays there'll be lots of bugs, especially beetles. So I use this portable vacuum cleaner to vacuum them up, and then I feed these to my chickens. Let me show you. So basically I remove this tray, and underneath this are all these beetles that are hiding, and I use my vacuum cleaner to scoop them up, and they go right inside the vacuum cleaner. And then I just go on to my chickens and I open up the vacuum cleaner and I dump all the bugs out for the chickens, and chickens absolutely love them. I also keep pieces of plywood in my chicken area, and bugs hide under these plywoods. So when I remove the plywood, chickens find the bugs right under the area of the plywood. I also keep wood chips for my chickens because wood chips provide shelter to lots of bugs, and these chickens will go through the wood chips and get rid of all the bugs. Number four, compost pile. I make piles of compost right in the chicken area. Chickens scratch through the compost pile, they find all the bugs in the compost pile, and in the process, they also help to turn the compost pile as well. Now, sometimes I do provide feed to my chickens. I use scratch grains and I use 16% layer feed, and that's because they love the grains, and it also helps to increase the quality of eggs as well. However, you don't have to resort to purchasing feed in order to feed your chickens. You can use all of these resources to feed your chickens for free. And if you know of more resources that you can utilize to feed your chickens for free, please comment below. Number five, I grow feed for my chickens. I grow alfalfa, radish, and mustard. All three are really fast growing and contain lush leafy greens, which chickens love. And I also let my plants flower so bees can utilize the nectar and pollen. Now every day when I feed my chickens, I cut down some of these plants and feed to my chickens. Now I understand it might not be for everyone because you need some land and space to grow this to actually feed your chickens. However, if you have the space, the time, and you love the lifestyle, chickens are absolute must to keep. If somebody tells you you should not grow your food, it is too dangerous to grow your food, they are lying. Chickens love these greens. Look at them go. They are going to strip all of these leaves off the stems, and all that will be remaining is the stems. Check out these plants that I've been feeding them for past few days. There are absolutely no leaves left on these stems. If you don't have the space, support somebody who does, and maybe you'll get some eggs in return. Always be self-reliant. Either grow your food or support your local farmers that grow food for your community, so you're not dependent on the big corporations for your food. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another video.